Ocean acidification is an emerging problem. Over the last decades, there has been so much focus in the ocean community. Most of the news about climate change is about how it affects the atmosphere and land creatures. But we shouldn't forget the source of life that covers nearly 3/4 of Earth's surface, which is the ocean. About a quarter to a third of all carbon dioxide emissions from our cars and factories are absorbed by the Earth's ocean. Much of it becomes fixed and stored in ocean plants like seagrass. First of all, what is ocean acidification? Ocean acidification is a term used to describe significant changes to the chemistry of the ocean. It occurs when carbon dioxide, which is CO2, is absorbed by the ocean and reacts with seawater to produce acid. It has emerged to become one of the biggest threats to our oceans. Number of issues, particularly carbon pollution, threaten our ocean ecosystems such as coral reefs, planktons, and other marine inhabitants. When carbon dioxide dissolves in the ocean, carbonic acid is formed. Allowing this to happen will lead to higher acidity, which affects shell growth in marine animals.
Once the bottom of the food chain has been destroyed, their predators are at risk. Soon enough, there's not going to be any life in the ocean left. This means that we would have no more seafood. There would be no point for fishermen because there would be no fish. This also affects the corals in our oceans. If this keeps going on, our ocean will be completely empty.
As you can see, ocean acidification has been getting worse over time. If we continue releasing CO2 in our atmosphere and letting it get absorbed by the ocean, by the time our grandchildren are born, they will recognize the sea animals we have today as extinct. You can help reduce ocean acidification today by finding ways to reduce your carbon and nutrient footprints. The carbon footprint of the average household in the United States is 48.5 tons of CO2 per year. Fueling up cars and powering up homes are where our emissions start to add up. But there are other ways that also contribute, such as consuming a lot of red meat and dairy products. Other ways you can help reduce ocean acidification is by exploring transportation alternatives, meaning walk, bike, use mass transit, carpool, or drive electric vehicles to get around. Use hot water more efficiently, meaning to wash clothes in cold water, lowering temperature settings of heater, and wrap heater with insulation. Lastly, use green gardening techniques. Runoff from fertilizing your garden and washing your car carriers high levels of nitrogen and carbon that contribute to ocean acidification. And using water and energy efficiently, you can reduce how much nutrient pollution comes from your household. With these tips, we can all take action now to reduce the causes and help increase the resilience of ocean ecosystem.